Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Venmo crypto access steps, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate with Venmo for crypto access, begin by opening the Venmo app on your mobile device. Log in with your existing Venmo account credentials. If you do not have an account, create one by following the app's prompts. Once logged in, navigate to the Manage Balance tab located at the bottom of the screen. Tap on Crypto to access the cryptocurrency options. Select Get Started on the cryptocurrency page. If prompted, read and accept the terms and conditions related to cryptocurrency. You may need to complete an identity verification process. This typically includes providing your phone number, social security number, and other personal information. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity. Once verified, you will have access to the crypto section of your Venmo account. From here, you can explore different cryptocurrencies available for purchase. Choose a cryptocurrency you wish to buy or trade. Follow the prompts to complete your transaction. Ensure you review the transaction details before finalizing. After your purchase, you can track your crypto holdings directly in the app. You are now successfully authenticated for Venmo crypto access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.